Hi chat, good day. So today let's talk about this upcoming update January 13. So on January 13, most likely as you can see here, the main updates is for Black Valkyries and Saga. So this is for the number 2 and number 3. Update is for the level 55 and up players. For those na may access already inside this new map or new area, which is this. Okay, so they will add an additional Black Valkyries and new Saga inside, which you can only do inside the new map. Okay, and so kailangan nyo na mag-rush to level 55. At least you guys can do this ahead, and also additional GP siya for you guys if you guys finish it. Okay, and stat as well, of course. So for the number 4, okay, for this one, by the way, since I don't have much information about it yet and I'm still looking for it, maybe you can just check it on the Legend of Emir website, or you can just check it with other streamer if they have this information already. Okay, so for the number 1, let's move on to the main updates. I mean, most likely these are the daily routines, and the check-in updates, the daily achievements or tasks. So let's go. Okay, so for the number 1, for the check-in event, as we all know, these are the daily 7-day check-in event. Okay, you can just check it in game after the maintenance tomorrow. So next here for the mission completion event, so for the giant defeat task, most likely this is for the clear expedition for the boss raid. Okay, for the boss raid, and also defeat unique monster. This is the unique monster, I think, inside the dungeon. Okay, you need to kill them, let's say 25 times, 50 times. I think counted pa din siya if you guys form a party. Better just to create a one party. Okay? So every time you complete the task, once you completed everything, you get this as final reward. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So for the enhancement support task, the crafting, enhancement, and enchantment. So if you guys craft 25 times or 50 times, you will get this as a reward. Okay, so if you guys enhance 25 or 50 times, again, you will get this as a reward. And if you guys enchant, okay, so for the final reward, once you completed everything, you will get this as a final reward. Okay, so let's move on to the next event, which is a new event. If you guys know, we also guys have this equipment, the Blazon. The red one, we call it skull, yeah, and the blue one, we call it Hattie. Okay, guys, if you guys putting it or keeping it or stored it in your storage box, much better if you have this on your storage, if you keep it for now. Kasi I think it's very usual in MMO that they have this event. Okay? So by the way guys, I have just tip lang for you. Just in case bago kayo on MMO or meron kayo nung gantong item. You know what's the easiest reward you can get just in case you have this, okay? So for example guys, let's say you have the skull blazon. This is the red flag, okay? The red flag. Let's say you have 2 plus 5 inside your storage and you're wearing plus 5 or equip plus 5. Better guys, just to try to enhance it. You know what? Guys, if you guys enhance 3 plus 5, you will get this as a final reward. So, still ano pa din siya. Win-win pa din siya for you. Just in case mabasag yung plus 5 nyo na suot. That's really a good thing. But you know what? Malay nyo naman swerte kayo na ma-plus nyo yung isa nyong plus 5. Just continue to plus the other plus 5. So, if you guys plus 3 plus 5 skulls or hati, you will get this as final reward, the plus 6. Well, that's good thing na din siya, right? Yeah. So, I think that's it for the Blazon. So, let's move on to the Expedition additional reward. So, they will actually add this additional event for the crafting material. They call it Guardian's Badge. Every time, guys, you complete an expedition and raids during this event, this is from January 13 to 27, you will collect this what we call Guardian Badge. Yeah, Guardian Badge. Okay? Sorry. So you can see this is the items that you can get. You can just check it. Also, they have additional for the collection. Since tomorrow may expire ng mga collection, they will add an additional na naman na mawawala. On February 3 naman siya. Additional collections. The additional stats or register effect is this one. Also this. So, may mawawalang mga collection may expired tomorrow, but don't worry, meron naman may madadagdag naman na panibago. But again, you still need to work for it. You need to get this Guardian Badge, which you can only get every time you complete an expeditions. So next here, okay, for this one, I don't know if I can. Let's talk about this another Twitch drop. So tomorrow they will have again this Twitch drop event, which again you can only get every time you watch a live stream on Twitch. Okay, so the event schedule is again until January 13 to 30. So I think, yeah, that's it for the whole event. Yeah, for the whole event. Okay, these are the most likely summary of the event for January 13. Okay, so by the way, for the purple drop events, don't worry, I will create a different content for this one. And yeah, I think that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. And just in case I missed something, just put it on the comment. Thank you everyone. See you on the game and happy gaming.